So I'm discussing topic about the three topics. One is called anchor text. Second thing is alt tag. Third will be called header tags. Each website very important topic is header tag. Each website we can use only for one header tag. How to we can find out how many headings will be there in my website. Please write down. We can using call one website and one is called toolbar. That is called browsing extension. One is called website. Second thing is called toolbar. Nothing but browser extension. So toolbar name is called WooRank toolbar. WOORANK. WooRank toolbar. Look at my screen. This is a WooRank toolbar. This is a browser extension. WOORANK. WooRank toolbar. Second thing is website called iwebchk.com. So this is website. We'll check. Just copy this URL. Copy the main URL. Go to your website. Now copy this URL here. Click for analyze. Click for analyze. So here they give the complete report. How many anchor text will be there? How many alt tags will be there? How many header will be there? Just scroll out here. How much my score will be? 75% out of 100. Just scroll down. This is my Facebook page and everything. Just come to here. Done. Here, Google Plus. The traffic rank. See how many images are there? Total 9 images. How many images will be missing for alt tag? 4 images. What is the image name? Slide 1, 4, slide 2, slide 3, and index pics 4.png. Out of 9 images, I'm fixing how many images will be missing for alt tag? 4 images. Here, just come to here. Title will be how many characters? Here. Then it will be called how many characters? 180. But how many characters will be supported? 60 or 70? 70 characters. But I'm writing for how many characters? 180. So we'll check. What is the HTML ratio? Frames here. How many headings are there? H1, how many H1? 0. Reason is error. This is called. I'm checking what? First one is alt tag. Total 9 images are there. 4 images missing for alt attribute. Nothing but image name. Now, this is my headings. H1, 0. H2, 0. H3, 1. H4, 3. H5, 0. H6, 0. Now we'll check. Second website is called WooRank toolbar. Now click. So this website you can find out what is called anchor text, alt tag, and header tags. So I'm clicking for WooRank toolbar here. Wait for a second. I give a report. Generating report here. Here, the scrolling here. Here. What score is again given? 39. Scroll down. 75 characters. Description will be 317. Just scroll down. How many H1 tags are there? IY will show you for 0. They is showing for 4. So where we can find out, I tell you, don't worry. So I can show through software. I can show this one. How to check by website? Show both options. How many header will be H1, H2, H3, H4, 3. Just scroll down. So how many images are there? Total 8 images. What is that? No alt missing images. What is the image extension? JPG, PNG, GIF. What is that? Anchor test. What is that? Anchor test name will be there. The image will be no anchor test names. So I'm clicking this one. What anchor test name? Facebook. Facebook is no anchor text name. The name is called no anchor text. So here we'll find out by the ORANG toolbar. Now we'll check by the for backend. Now Control U. I'm going to the backend of source code. So what is the image extension? JPG and PNG. Just go to the Control F. JPG. See. Alt. No name. No name. No name. So is the give the good score? iWeb or ORANG? iWeb give the proper score. ORANG will be not updating for fast. ORANG will be primary. Nothing but premium. So iWeb give the proper ranking. So here, just look careful. Watch how many images will missing for alt tag? 4. But ORANG show for the no alt tag missing. But here missing for my alt tags. Yes or no? Slide 2, slide 3, and slide 4. Slide 4, slide 2, slide 3. Missing for alt tag. What the next image is the image. Copy, Control F. Here, no alt tag. With this. Alt tag is there. So, how to update? I will show here. Go to cPanel, File Manager. What the first page is index.php. So, first you go to the public under HTML. Go to proper website. Option call is index.html. Control F. Control V. Now, Alt is equal to double quote season swim here. Now, what update is done. Previous no alt tag. Now refresh. What is that? Is a alt tag will be there. Alt is equal season swim. So previous we can finish it. What is that? 3 here. What is that? Slide 2, 3 and 4. Just here. Season, swimming, pool. Madhapur. Kondapur. Now click for save change. Previous no alt tag. Right. Done. So who give the proper report? iWebchk.com. Who rank they can take the update for the latter. So who give the updating report? iWebchk.com. Is it clear? You check the alter, anchor test and header tags. You check by the iWebchk. So my website is using how many H1 tags? Just look here. Control F. H1. 0. H1 is the 0. iWebchk showing for the how many options? 0. Wouldn't show for the 4. So here is my main page. Just I'm refreshing. Look careful, watch. Okay, what is that? My contact. Yes or no? Just look the my page. What is my page is contact. Just, yeah. So yeah, is address. First we'll check is or not. I'm checking here. Checking for A will be capital. Just go to footer. Here A will be small. Yes or no? A will be capital. So I'm changing where? Here. So what I'm writing for? H1 tag. Done. Hit for refresh. So it's count by H1 tag. Now previous no H1 tags. Now refresh. Control F. Previous missing. Now will be added here. Is it clear? This will be checked by the anchor test. Sorry, H1 header tags. Every web page you can add by how many H1 tags? Only for one H1 tag. Now here, every anchor test we can give a specific name. Suppose the name will be not there. Look this. I'm going to remove this one. Sorry, to the back end. Here. Remove this one. Click for save change. Refresh. See here. It's not showing my page. What is that? I'm not updating here. Look at my screen. What is that here? Contact. What is that here? Contact. Suppose anchor test no name. Suppose. What is that? Contact. And remove the name. Just save change. Now refresh. Showing my anchor text. Reason is my anchor text is no name. So anchor text purpose is every anchor text we can show the one particular name. That is called your menu names, pages, home, about us, maybe gallery like that. See here now. Refresh here. Now save change. Now refresh. Done. Every anchor test will be name or there or not. We check by where on your backend. This until you search here. Every anchor test name will be there. Here. Just scroll down. Here is there, and just scroll up here. Every anchor test name will be there. So we'll check using with the iwebchk.com and urank. If any is missing for anchor text name here. Alt tag purpose is every image will be specific name. Second thing is header tag nothing but you can give the headings, subheadings, subheading, footer headings. Purpose using for H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But each website first page you can show the one H1 tag will be mandatory. How to check? Urank toolbar and physical browser extension. Second thing is iwebchk.com. For updating purpose using with the iwebchk.com. Third one is anchor test. How to check anchor test? That is for every hyperlink we can check the name. We can using by check the page, go to page name along with the name. So if I remove the name, the hyperlink does not show the in the main page. Is it clear? This is called three things used for the website. One is called alt tag, anchor text and header tags.